you guys, it's Shayla singing a new song, and this is going to be 2 Azure hauls in 1. For those of you that have been enjoying my Azure hauls, I have a very special message for you guys before I dive right into today's video. This is likely to be my last Azure haul video for a while. If you guys don't like the sound of that, I've got something that you could do to possibly change that. So if you're enjoying these Azure haul videos, if you've been learning about products from Azure that you're interested in and you have been buying the products from my videos, and let me know in the comments below. I need to know. I need to hear from you. If I get enough feedback from enough of you, I will know to keep these videos coming, but I need the feedback. Second thing you can do, if you're a new customer and you've been watching these videos and you're kind of, on the edge and about to take the dive but haven't decided to do it yet, now's the time. If I can just get one person that is a new customer to sign up with Azure and make one order that is $100 or more, that will keep me making these videos at least for another 3 months. So if you're a new customer or thinking about becoming a new customer, now is the time if you would like to see me continue to do more of these videos. This is my third Azure haul video. If you want to see the first 2, I will link to them below for you. If you're not familiar with Azure Standard, I definitely recommend watching my first video all about them and my first haul. And also I will link to a blog post I did introducing you guys to Azure. So with that said, let's dive into today's video and take a look at what I got this time. So if you watched video 2, you're familiar with the hand soap that I really fell for in the last video that was from my last haul. And so I went ahead and I got the big jug of it this time for refills. I felt like it was fairly affordable. I got the citrus scent so that I could add other scents to it if I want to, because citrus is one of those scents that you can kind of blend with other scents. Anyways, this is a gallon. I think it's more than a gallon. No, 1 gallon. This is 1 gallon. So next up is the biodegradable, fragrance-free, country safe laundry detergent, and this time they had the liquid in stock. Last time they only had the powder. So this is the laundry detergent I got this time, and it's 2 times concentrated, and it's 100 ounces and it's supposed to do 100 loads. I don't think it will with our hard water. By the way, I wanted to give you guys an update on the powder country safe. So I still don't know how well it's going to work, and I don't know how well this is going to work, obviously, because I haven't tried it yet. But in my last video, I explained we have very hard water, and I told you guys I would keep you updated as to how well the country safe works for our hard water. One of the recommendations that I had when I was getting ready to use this was to use it with borax. And some of my family did not get the memo, and so they have not been using borax with the country safe for the hard water. So I don't know how well it works because we have had some issues with it not cleaning as well as I would like. And again, I don't know if that's just because of the borax, and it could just be because it's the powder and I really needed and want to use the liquid. So we're gonna see if the liquid has the same problem, and I will be using it with borax, and I will still work on keeping you updated as to how well it works. Next up on the list is spray. I stocked up on toothpaste, and this will be enough toothpaste for us for maybe like 3 months. I don't know. We'll see how long it lasts. But I love spray toothpaste, and I got the peppermint. This is with xylitol and aloe, and then I got this one for the youngest child who deals with some cavities. It's got ingredients in it that are supposed to help with that. And so this is the Willetta toothpaste oral care. This one is a spearmint flavor, and again, these are the peppermint flavor. Here I got some oxygen powdered bleach because I'm trying to break away from using regular bleach. And I've used things like this before and they work really well. This is no phosphates, no chlorine, ammonia, no SLS or SLES, no EDTA, and no animal testing, and it's earth friendly. Here I have something I'm really excited. I'm actually going to do a whole video with what I'm going to be doing with these. I've got a couple kids. Our whole family has kind of dry skin. We live in a kind of a climate that goes, you know, like one week it might be super dry, the next week it might be super wet. So our skin gets kind of confused, and we need lotions to help balance the dryness of our skin. But I've got two children in particular with extra dry skin. They go through so much lotion that it's crazy, and I decided it would be cheaper to just make my own. I have a degree in natural healing, and I've made lots of my own lotions in times past, and I know how to make them. So I'm going to be making my own lotion for these boys that have the issue, the really dry skin, and see how well it works. So I'll keep you posted as to how well it works. But these are two of the ingredients I wanted to use. I got shea butter and real aloe vera gel that I'm going to be using to make their lotion with. I will be using other ingredients, but I will have a whole nother video on that in the future for you guys. We're trying to break away from plastics that don't break down. So we're going to give these a try, the tall kitchen bags and the reclosable storage gallon bags. I'm excited to open these up and see how they work. And again, we're trying to eliminate plastics in our family, in our daily lives, and not eliminate them completely, but we're trying to reduce plastics. And so I went ahead, and I've been wanting to get these for a long time. These are stainless steel drinking straws, and one of the big reasons I wanted to get these was for the cleaners, because I have other straws too that are silicone, and they're hard to clean. I don't have anything to clean them. So I wanted the straws that are in here, but the biggest reason I wanted these is for the brushes to clean the straws. So I have a huge vitamin haul here today. I am transitioning all of our vitamins over to Azure. I used to get a lot of our vitamins from Amazon. Sorry, my kids they're playing right outside and they're kind of loud. It's all good and fun though. If you can hear that, it sounds pretty crazy. Anyways, speaking of kids, I have a kids multi-organic fruit gummies here, and this is Garden of Life. Again, Garden of Life enzymes. I need these for digestion or digestive support, and some of my family uses these for digestive support too. And we find that this one is a really good brand and it helps us. So we've got vitamin C here. We take vitamin C through the summer. We also do a lot of vitamin C from our food source, of course, but I like to start stocking up in the summer for the extra vitamins we need through winter, like vitamin C. So these are Nordic Naturals vitamin C gummies, and the kids like these. I especially got these for some of the little kids that have a hard time with pills. So those are gummies. And then I've got the Teen Girls vitamin for my daughter. They also make a Teen Boys. I didn't get that this time because I didn't need any. They also have tween vitamins as well. It was Father's Day, and we wanted to treat my husband, and so we got him some of this Lidget's moisturizing shaving foam. Oh my, that is nice. So you guys, this is hypoallergenic. It's mild and gentle. It says it's moisturizing oils in it, and it smells so clean and so nice. I think, you know what? I'm gonna get some of this to shave my legs with. So here's something else I'm really excited about to start. I got some creme fraiche. I'm not sure how you say it. Creme fraiche. I don't know. Anyways, this is a creme fraiche cheese culture, and I'm excited to start trying to do that in place of, I'm thinking sour cream. I'm thinking it would make a nice, healthier sour cream alternative, and then gluten-free sourdough starter. Super excited to start using these and get started with that. We go through way too much gluten-free bread, and I need to start making it myself for just to save money. Anyways, this is a tempeh starter. I don't know about you guys, but I love tempeh. Inside of each of the boxes, they do have instructions. This is the starters, and then we have, oh, there's two, and then we have the starter instructions, and so each one of these is going to come with instructions to get me started using this. So again, another one of the reasons I bought these to start making my own is, yeah, it will cost in time, but the problem is that it's going to be so much less expensive to make our own. And we are a big family, and since we are a big family, you know, we go through a lot of things like bread and sour cream and dairy, and so it's just going to be so much more affordable for us to make our own. And also it'll be a fun project for the kids, so I can teach the kids, is, you know, in part of our schooling, I can teach them how to do things like make bread and use their math skills by making bread. So I plan to incorporate more fun life activities into our homeschool year. This year we homeschool 6 children, and so that's just something that I thought would also be fun as like science projects and math projects in our homeschool. So now we're in my pantry, and our pantry is really messy right now, but I wanted to show you the very last thing I got, and it's certified organic regular rolled oats. I've been just reading a lot lately about how there's still so much Roundup in oats, and I don't want that. I don't want my kids ingesting that, so I decided to start getting organic oats for them, since they eat so much oatmeal all the time. It's a couple of my kids' favorite breakfast, I think. This is a new haul today. So this is this month's haul. These are something I am so excited about, you guys. I just want to make sure you guys can still see everything. So these are pure beeswax candles. So a couple times a year, our power runs out. I don't really keep very many candles. And one of the reasons I don't have a lot of candles is because usually they're made with synthetic fragrances that are not healthy. And so I like to, you know, when I do get candles, I like to try to get a more natural kind. And these are, I cannot remember how much this little bag was, but usually when the power goes out for us, it's only for maybe a couple hours, and it's usually in the evening. So, oh, these smell good. They smell like honey. I love them. Anyways, there's 6 in here, and these are just emergency candles. I think they were even called emergency candles for when, and they're just for when the power goes out. Speaking of candles, but these are beeswax herbal therapeutic candles, and these are called earwax candles. And you can Google it and see it's a thing, but we use these to help soften the earwax in our ears and help clean our ears out, and they work. They work. So go Google it and you'll see what I am talking about, but that's what these are. And I'm kind of excited to smell them because it says that they're herbal, and I have never seen herbal ones before. So I'm going to smell these and tell you guys what they smell like. They smell definitely smell herby. Oh, it says eucalyptus and tea tree. That's what I'm smelling. Eucalyptus and tea tree are the scents in these. And of course, more taco seasoning. If you watched my first Azure haul video, you saw that we go through a lot of taco seasoning. I stocked up on more supplements. And then over here, these were on sale. They're chewable, probiotic, and they're by Trace Minerals. So I got these because they're chewable, and so they're for younger children. So that's all the supplements. I got this for myself because I have been suffering from one cavity. It's not bad. 20 years ago, I was suffering from a cavity, and I put myself on a regime and went back to get the cavity fixed, and it was gone. So I'm hoping that I will be able to do that again. Here is one of the things, though, that I'm changing in my tooth routine. I'm going to be using this to brush my teeth with, and I'm hoping that it helps make a difference. So here's some super cute little toothbrushes. I got these because, well, my 6 kids, we always need toothbrushes. These are kind of nifty. They are by the brand Jack and Jill. They're biodegradable cornstarch toothbrushes. And they are extra soft, zero waste. They're comfy for small hands, it says. They've got a big, huge handle, so I can see how they would be comfy for small hands. I'm trying to get it out of the package so I can show you guys here. It says it's suitable from first tooth and, of course, beyond. Nice thing about these is they are BPA and PVC free. I think I might have mentioned in one of my other videos, but I never like to use regular shampoo on my children. I try to get like non-toxic, natural shampoos and bath and body products for my children. So this is one that I found, no sulfates. It's infused with essential oils and fruit extracts. It's cruelty-free. No parabens or phthalates. Made in the USA, no alcohol, and it's a plant-based complex. It says Blueberry Blast. Actually not bad. We're moving on now. This is for my garden. I hope you guys can see it okay. This is pure food grade diatomaceous earth. So I have so many uses for this. I actually use this. We have a problem with fleas in our backyard. Starting sometime in September, usually when the first frosts start coming. So it could be September, it could be October, but this is something that I will be using to help with that. I also use this on carrots. I have carrots this year. Diatomaceous earth is great to sprinkle on carrots while they're growing because it keeps the little worms that eat carrots off of them. And when I use this for flea control, I put it at the doorways, like at the door stops, and sometimes I will put it under the beds or under furniture, like heavy furniture where fleas like to go. Our town, I have not been able to find Brazil nuts all over our town. Our town is not tiny either, but I haven't been able to find any. So I need them for my thyroid because I have Hashimoto's hypothyroidism and I'm on medication for it. And the Brazil nuts are supposed to make the thyroid medication work better. So last up today, my children love suckers, and these are Manuka honey lemon honey lollipops. They're a natural fruit flavor, but I actually did not get these for them to just enjoy any old time. I got these because it says they're throat soothing. So basically I am starting to stock up because we're getting close to August. It's still July, but I like to start stocking up on things like this. If I don't stock up on all kinds of immune boosting stuff and vitamin C, and if I don't start stocking up on all of that stuff starting in the summertime, then by the time fall hits, with fall comes Christmas. So in the fall, we start thinking about Christmas. And if I don't start stocking up with all of the immune stuff and, you know, things that we're going to need for that, and like I said, the vitamin C's and all of that good stuff, if I don't start stocking up for it in the summertime, then we end up having to buy that while we're trying to start thinking about Christmas. If you're wanting to support independent, family-owned, smaller businesses for your products and your foods, Azure Standard is one of the best resources you can purchase from. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my other 2 Azure haul videos. I'll link to them below. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video next week.